Hello everyone, today I will share secret anti-aging trick with orange peel and flax seeds. But before you rush to the kitchen, let's separate fact from fiction. We've all seen those headlines. Grandma's secret for youthful skin. They promise a magical concoction that erases wrinkles overnight. But are these claims too good to be true? The truth about orange peels. Orange peels do contain some good stuff. Vitamin C, antioxidants, and even limonene oil, which might have some anti-inflammatory benefits. However, there's no scientific evidence that applying them directly to your skin reduces wrinkles. Flaxseeds, a superfood, not a miracle cure. Flaxseeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for overall health, including skin health. But again, there's no magic bullet for wrinkles. Eating a healthy diet rich in these nutrients is beneficial, but topical application likely won't have a dramatic anti-aging effect. So what does work for younger-looking skin? Here are some science-backed strategies for keeping your skin healthy and youthful. 1. Sun protection is key. Daily SPF is your best weapon against wrinkles and sun damage. 2. Moisturize regularly. Hydrated skin plumps and looks younger. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Nourish your body from the inside out with fruits, veggies, and whole grains. 4. Don't smoke. Smoking contributes to wrinkles and premature aging. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your skin. Consider relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all anti-aging solution. Focus on healthy habits that will benefit your skin in the long run. While orange peels and flax seeds might be great additions to your diet, they're unlikely to be your fountain of youth. Embrace a holistic approach to healthy skin, and don't fall for online fads. Thanks for joining me today. Have questions about your skincare routine? Leave a comment below and let's chat. Also, hit that like and subscribe button for more beauty and wellness content.